Say goodbye to boring bathrooms. The Plantex bathroom mirror is here to dazzle. Crafted with 5 mm thick HD glass, the Plantex bathroom mirror offers durability with a stunning clear reflection. It's specially coated to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring it stays pristine even in the steamiest showers. This frameless rectangle mirror with curved corners isn't just for bathrooms. Its elegant design breathes life into bedrooms, wash basins and living areas too. It's a stylish statement piece that'll make you fall in love every time you see it. Handling this mirror is a breeze. With smooth, polished edges, you can forget about hand injuries. Plus, the strong back frame supports twice the mirror's weight, so it's both safe and sturdy. And when it comes to maintenance, just a quick wipe with a soft cloth and mirror cleaner and it looks brand new. What's more, the Plantex bathroom mirror is made in India and comes with all the fittings you need. So why wait? Click the link below and order yours now. Transform your home with Plantex.